What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Larry FPV, man. I'm on another scene, man. I just come out, give you guys a view of the new Kia Center. It used to be the Amway Center. About to take flight. My Pavo. Sit it down, get it ready, and take y'all on a little event real quick. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel, man. Make sure you hit that notification button, man. I appreciate everybody that's viewing my channel, man. All right, guys. Let me try to get y'all up in the air real quick. All right. 1, 2, 3. And we up. Recording. All right, guys. Here we go right here. This is the new Kia Center. Kia Center in Orlando, Florida. Excuse me for the music in the background. Motorcycle. New Kia Center. Orlando Magics. Ooh, what's up here? Nice. Oh yeah, that was nice. See what they got going on in stores. ATM, we're gonna go in there and spend on something, boy. Okay, E-Wing. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel, man. There's another one. Peace.